Okay, I'm going to make some oven grilled fish. That is tilapia fish. Hey baby girl, the noise is too much. Yeah, so I'm going to make some tilapia fish. Tilapia, yeah. It's here. Oh my god, don't make a mess of it there. It's here. So the wash cleaned up. Yeah. So I just clean up a little bit here. I have all the ingredients. I have this. This is spices, garlic and herb. I have this Italian seasoning, paprika. I have Old Bay seasoning for seafood, poultry and everything. Then what I didn't bring was the paper, the black paper. I have the black paper. I'm going to get the fish, put it in here. Remember, I already said it was washed already, packed, and it was in the refrigerator. So I'll put it here. Just let me first open it from here, so that it can. Yeah. This is how it looks like. It's big. It's big. Look at the head. This head is too big, beyond the human being head. So I take away the trash. Normally I hold it properly so that it doesn't go mess up the place. Like I always says, you know I'm not English, you forgive me, but like I always say, when I'm training my daughter to cook in the kitchen, I always tell her, yes, you can do a mess in the kitchen, but what matters most is, do you clean up? Yes, do you clean up? So I don't want to teach my daughter that sophisticated cooking, the lie behind the kitchen where you see people dressed like, oh my god, like they are going for dinner and then they are in the kitchen. Trust me, in the kitchen, soup can like mess up the whole place. Anything can cause a mess. So I don't want to lie. So I'm putting all of this in here, and then I'm back. And like I said, I'll use up the pattern. So I have ginger, I'll use it, and I have garlic somewhere here. I'll use it later, but for now, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use the ingredients that I have. Put that. This is the garlic herb. Yeah. I put the paper, black paper, and put much. Which one have I not put? Paprika. I can put this. And now I can put a little bit of oregano. Yeah, and then here I'm going to mix it up. Yeah, and as I'm doing that, I'll start the oven into bake and such so that it goes into pre. Yeah, I just want to eat it like this. I want to make soup. Yeah, because it's big, and the last time I made soup out of it, people didn't eat it that much. So I'm thinking this will be the best option. I'm also putting raw garlic, like garlic raw, and ginger. Yeah. Then I'll put some butter, and then lime. I'll go ahead and cover it up for a few minutes. Yeah. Yeah. For like a few minutes, like 20. Then later I'll put in the oven and I'll show you. This is the fish, so I'm getting the garlic in here. Yeah, I'll need a spoon. Just 1 second. So I'm putting garlic here and then ginger. So I'm going to put some butter, put it in a microwave, and then smear it. This is the butter, organic butter. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's the butter, and then I'll put in the microwave. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to do smearing on all the fish, and all the fish. And then I put the rest inside. And then this goes to the sink. And then I put it back in the oven. That's it.